For my ELRC class this semester, we made our own website, and this is an introduction to my website, just telling what it's all about. And then the next tab on my website is my bio. And my bio tells me all about me. I'm from New York. I currently go to school in Louisiana State University, and I'm studying elementary education. And ever since I was a teenager, I knew I wanted to be a teacher. I've always been very good with kids. So I just decided that this is what I wanted to do with my life. And then my next tab is resources. And on my resources tab, it's just different resources that I think would be very helpful for students and for future references for myself. And then the Web 2.0 tools is just some other resources that I think would be very helpful for myself in the future. And then another thing is a supplies list for my classroom if I ever use this as a future website for my classroom, and some supply lists that I would think I would need for my students. And then we did a digital story. And my digital story was about my spring break that I took my sophomore year, and me and my family, we went from Colorado all the way up to San Diego, and we just did different things along the way. And then we also had an assignment that was about a mobile app, and the mobile app that I was assigned was Crafter, and Crafter is a app that lets you make different QR codes, and it was very helpful and useful. And then our PLN PLE website tab is about a personal learning environment and network, and it tells you all about it. And here are some categories that we learned about this semester: blogs, creation tools, and microblogs. And then we each reviewed and had a reflection on each of them. And then here is the website evaluation that we had to do. It was on a website that we got to pick from, and I picked abcya.com, and it was just all about different games that teachers could use for educational uses in the classroom. And then another thing we did was Apple Teacher Certification, and this was just, we had to pass 8 different quizzes, and then we became Apple Teacher Certified after we did all of that. And then we also had one other technology project, which was whatever we wanted to choose, and I just chose one on animals. And then we had a tech blog, and that was just different assignments that we had to do, and then we wrote blog posts about them. And that is my website.